In this video, we're going to learn how to to cite a source in NoodleTools. So we're starting here at our project dashboard, and we've got to tell NoodleTools that we want to cite our sources. So we click this tab, Sources. And we see here the sources that we have already cited. We've cited a database. We go to the green button at the top left that says New Source. And here NoodleTools asks us a question. Where is it? After we answer that, it'll ask another question. What is it? NoodleTools wants to know where you're finding this information and what kind of information it is. If you're stumped here, then the best thing to do is to go to your LibGuide for your project. So I've got opened my World Cultures General LibGuide, and maybe I want to cite a database. Maybe I want to cite this Culturegrams database. Right here in the box, we have NoodleTools notes, and it tells us to choose database for the first question and original content in the database for the second. And that's all I need to know. I'm going to choose database here. What is it? Original content. At this point, NoodleTools gives me the form I need to fill out. I either fill in all of these blanks or I copy and paste a citation. That's it.